Will it work? I guess we'll see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey everybody, so today's video, we're out in this beautiful park and we've got this bad boy and we're hoping it might just be the best extension for our van, but we won't know till we try, which is why we're here today. I'm Tamara, this is my partner in crime, Denon, and today we're going to set up something for the van. We're hoping that it works out and might create some much needed outdoor space. So, coffee, gorgeous park, and hopefully something that'll be awesome for our van. Look at this view. It was so pretty, we decided let's have a cup of coffee before we set up the tent, take in the view. It was so quiet, there was barely anyone around. It had to be done. Fantastic. The coziest little coffee setup. A lovely little view of the park. We live in beautiful British Columbia, and trying to find a neutral, creamy colored tent anything was almost impossible. We looked for months online and everything always seemed to be red, blue, or green. And for us, we think the color scheme and how everything flows together is just as important as how it actually works. And we knew we wanted tan this time around because last summer we had started out with a green tarp and then we upgraded to something called a tail veil, which was a blue tent extension. And although the tail veil was covered and protected us from the bugs and mosquitoes and wasps, it was too small, meant for an SUV, and just wasn't a functional space to work in. We didn't like the way the color kind of made it feel tenty and boxed in. There's just something really nice and light and airy about creams and beiges and tans. And the only thing that we actually could find was from, I do believe, Korea, and it was going to be over $3,000 after everything was said and done. And that's just not in our budget. $3,000 for like a tent extension just seemed a bit excessive until I came across this fabulous little tent extension on Amazon. There was 3 different versions of this for sale on Amazon, and only one of them had a review. And from those photos, I felt like it might just work for what we were looking for. I purchased it. It came in just over $200, I think $234 with taxes included. We got it 2 days later, and then we were like, let's pack this up, head to the park, make a delicious coffee, and see if this thing's going to work.
Here's the problem, is that it's not.
Okay, so there's the door one. Okay.
I can stand in it
You can stand in it.
and I don't have to duck down.
No.
So it's like,
And oh, the poles go through here.
all right, well, that's good.
Oh,
That's
so
fine.
that's extras.
Right. So,
And then
so far so good though.
yeah, look at all that space. I mean, it doesn't look the prettiest right now with this, but
well,
like,
you know,
that's okay
once we
though.
get it all figured out.
Okay, so far, what do we think?
Well, the tent works.
The tent works.
I
Yep.
know obviously you have to pull in better and
Yep.
figure it out, but
This
lots
is
of
just
overhead
yep, lots of
space
heads
for me.
for you, absolutely. I love how the doors open
Yeah,
and it's not tight.
It encases the van, so you don't have to worry about bugs. There's opportunity to fasten it even more up top. It's got all of this bug screen, so you feel like you're in the outdoors, you're not trapped. The
And
color is not blue or green.
yeah, it's got a lot of space is what I'm really happy about.
Yeah. Okay, and put away, compact, done. First time was a little long, but I think we'll...
Yeah, it kind of annoyed me in the very beginning, but after it was all set up, it's
you know what,
exactly what we're looking for.
Totally, and it's just the annoyance because honestly, learning something new can hurt your brain.
True.
And it's just like nice to not think about things and just get it done.
If you like what we're doing, please subscribe and click that bell. It would really help out our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.
Bye, guys.